Hey guys, RoonPicker here for another lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is Vesuvius by Pompey Picker, and he made his out of a bird cylinder. You can see, I think it's a Yale keyway on here. I've never picked one of this style. There's no engravings on these style, but it does look like maybe he soldered and filled in these holes on the bottom here. And we got the mummified key. November 1st, 2019 is the date on here when he made it looks like. So let's get this into the vise and see if we can get it open today. This is my first challenge lock from Pompey Picker, but I've seen his stuff on YouTube. He's pretty cool dude. Let's zoom in. Whoa, let's move this up just a little bit so you guys can see better. So we're going to use top the keyway tension with 50 thousandths, going clockwise, and we'll use our deep hook from, or hook 7 from Reed Witt, and see if we can get this, pick this from the bottom of the keyway. Oh, already into a false set. Trying to see if I can pick off this ledge, figure out what's holding me up. Maybe that pin, hard to say. Might have overset something, maybe. Nope, got our false set back. Don't know what's holding me up. I feel like I'm really close though. Trying to provide manual counter rotation is proven to be a little bit difficult with this this lock. There we go. So we did need to provide manual counter rotation. So we got it picked open. You can see we are picked. And let's take the zoom feature off. There we go. So let's put that back in the locked state. Check out this key. Ooh, now this is an interesting key. It's pretty good actually. Got a lot of highs and lows in there. It almost looks like it's, I'm pretty sure this is a hand cut key. Key does work, no snagging whatsoever. So let's go ahead and get this clip off the back. It's one of these crimp clips. Get our pinning tray. And we will put the key in and rotate. And we'll get a shim out because we don't know what's inside and we don't want to ruin something. Shim that. There we go. Follower. Easy peasy. There we go. And interesting. So those are 0 lifts actually. Those see pin 1 and 5, 2, 4. Pin 1 and 5 are 0 lifts. That's interesting. Ooh, awesome work. Take our shim out. And let's see what's on here. Now it looks like a stock spool. This looks like a stock spool as well. That's interesting that he would do that. Interesting. Very interesting. Huh. Interesting. So no variation in spring lengths. Let's see. Did he do any modifications to the Bible? No. Anything to the core? Maybe widening the holes. It's hard to say. Let's see. Do we even have 6 changes? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll say maybe widening the hole 5. I don't even know if we have enough changes to qualify as a challenge lock, you guys. Huh, interesting. Let me flip around this pin real quick. And I'm going to bring you guys over so you guys can see. I'll let you guys be the judges of this, but I don't think we have enough changes to qualify as a challenge lock, you guys. So you can see we got a lot of spool tops and spools in there, but those, unless he cut those spools, but those look really nice to be factory spools, honestly. You can see maybe he widened those holes in the top of the Bible. We have that hand-cut key, but other than that, you know, got this bird cylinder here. That is Vesuvius by Pompey Picker. Like I said, I'll leave it up to you guys to decide whether you think it counts as a full challenge lock or not, but leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.